Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 KONA. The Hyundai KONA provides a wide variety of functionality in a small SUV body. The energetic design is perfect for those looking to marry their adventurous side with their urban lifestyle. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, cargo net, carpeted floor mats, manual climate control, roof rail crossbars, lumbar support, cargo tray. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.